Proud moment for Jamaica as the queen of dancehall Spice and the Grammy-winning international dancehall artists Shaggy and Sean Paul were the guest performers in Good Morning America GMA Summer Concert Series this morning. The trio live from the island performed for the first time their hit collab Godongde.
Make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chatter, you can't keep up with me energy. What a epic night of it embedded in your memory. Little bubble of it, treat it like a felony.
They also performed a medley of their other singles. Now Shaggy, who was no stranger to the GMA stage, sang Angel, while Sean Paul tagged in to deport them man like glue, and Spice gave them a piece of Friends. Mama used to tell me. Spice and Sean Paul share with E-Prime their excitement on the performance.
To be honest, to represent dancehall on 3 major talk show is another historic moment, because to have Good Morning America, Wendy Williams and Jimmy Kimmel, back to back, showcasing Go Down There, the single from my up and coming album 10, is just amazing for dancehall and Team Jamaica itself. Big up to Shaggy and Sean Paul, just to be willing to showcase and to help to promote this track and this single. It means a lot to me, and I'm just humbled.
Yeah, it was a dope feeling, good feeling to be on stage with 2 of my good friends in the music business from this genre. Big up Shaggy, big up Spice. But yeah, Good Morning America from Jamaica, that's a special one. So love it, you know what I mean?
The mega collab Godonde has surpassed 10 million YouTube views, and its TikTok challenge has seen over 40,000 videos. Godonde is the first confirmed single from Spice's long-awaited VP Records release at 10. The dancehall stars continue their US media tour with Jimmy Kimmel Live and the Wendy Williams show next week. And Sean Paul today also dropped the visuals for his controversial single Lionheart. The burning of newspapers surely confirms who is on the receiving end of the artist's scorching words. Sean opened up to E-Prime on the track.
Yeah, so Lionheart's out now. The video was kind of more just visuals for the song. The song was very lyrical, so we didn't want to take away from that fact. We want people to kind of pay attention to the lyrics. So the lyrics I'm talking about, why I don't like clashing, kind of. And I'm stating my own claim, you know what I mean, in terms of, it's my opinion. So big up to all who have them truth to talk. Lionheart is out.
Lionheart is the only song without a collab on Sean's live and living album released in March. Now, still on Summer Blazers, Ding Dong has teamed up with Steph London for the remix of his hit single Blue Tick. The song, called Manastar, is already set to be a summer anthem. Ding Dong is known for dropping hot summer bangers, so this is no surprise for his fans. Talking about fans, see you in your red, green, or orange this weekend as Fame Frequency continues the summer series with Color Code. I'm Deidre reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime.